Facebook, YouTube, what's going on, guys? We're here with my client, Mr. Howard. We just did a hardwood wax removal on their floors. How did you guys find me again? I can't remember.
YouTube.
It was on YouTube. They found me on YouTube, so where this video is going to be posted. Sent me a few pictures of the project that they had. I gave them an estimate, came out, performed the work the kind of the same day, came out here, looked at it, and performed the work just based off of the pictures. I was able to identify that they probably had wax on their floor, ask him. I said, did you use rejuvenate? Bingo, that's exactly what he'd used on the floor. And we're in Knoxville, right?
Lenore City.
Lenore City. See, I don't even know where we're at, guys. In Lenore City. Anyway, did the job out here in Lenore City, just finished up. And as you guys know, we always like to get a little testimonial from our clients. So we're going to go ahead and let Mr. Howard give a little bit of his testimonial on working with me today.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Hey, don't go to anybody else but to Elite. He is the best. We had other people to come in. Get him. He's the best.
Awesome. Mr. Howard, thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Remember it.